All right, so the first thing we do is we read the entire story problem through. Okay, now I have looked it over and I don't see any words in here that you should have trouble except for maybe that word. Raise your hand. Oh, raise your hand if you can tell me what that word is.
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Other than that, oh, maybe that one. Raise your hand if you know what that word says. Fernando. All together. Good job. So that's perfect. We're going to read this story problem all together. Are you ready? All right. Sam was reading his book. He read 21 pages yesterday. Today he read 17 pages more. How many pages did Sam read altogether? Good job. So the second thing I do, I visualize. I picture in my head a little boy. And what is that little boy holding? A book. Good job. And he's reading it, and he's turning the pages, right? So on one day, he's sitting and reading for his readathon, and he's turning his pages, and he puts the book away, and then the next day he takes it out. Good visualization, Connor. Takes it out, and he's reading again. And you see the little boy in your head? Okay. So what we're going to do next is we're going to write our answer sentence. So let's read the question one more time, just the question. How many pages did Sam read altogether? Does anybody know how to turn that question into a sentence? Girl. All right, everybody grab that pencil. Would you please write Sam read pages. Good job. Sam read pages. We want to know how many pages he read all together. Who are we talking about? Sam. We're gonna make a little space down and we're gonna write Sam's name again. What are we counting? Sam's what? Pages. So let's write the word pages. All right, start line. Mrs. Jones has probably told you about the start line.
Yeah.
Good.
You always do it.
You always do it. Very good. And then what's this big thing?
Uniform.
The unibar. Good job. Okay. Do you know what goes in the unibar? Is it the parts or is it the whole? Raise your hand if you know the answer to that. Is it the parts that go in the unibar or is it the whole? Brendan? Parts? What do you think, Melanie? Parts. Bailey?
Well, it matters which, if it's a subtraction or addition.
Very true. But the parts would always be in the same place and the whole would always be in the same place. So what would you guess? What always goes in the unibar?
The missing number and the number you subtract.
Okay, very good. All right, so let's go back and read the first sentence together and see if we can find any of the parts or whole. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Sam was reading his book. Are there any parts in there?
No.
Is there a hole in there? No. So do you know how to mark it off? Does Mrs. Jones teach you that? Mark it up. It's great for visualization, but it doesn't have any of the parts or holes that we need, correct? All right, let's read the second sentence. Ready? He read 21 pages yesterday. Does that sentence have parts or a hole in it?
Yes.
Yes. What is the part, everybody? 21 pages. So that's how you would record the 21 pages inside the unibars. Good job. Draw a line in the middle. And let's put 21 on the left side. Look at your unibar. Look at my unibar. Does your unibar look like my unibar? We just read, he read 21 pages yesterday. Does our picture match those words? Yes. So cross it off. We've done that part of the story. All right. I want to hear all children read the next sentence with me. Ready? Today, he read 17 pages more. Is that 17 pages important for our problem?
Yes.
Raise your hand if you can tell me, is it the part or is it the whole? Does our picture match that? Today he read 17 pages more. Does our picture match that?
Yes.
Cross it. Awesome. We always, in my question, we always cross it off so that we know we've read it and we've done that. Now, Sam has 21 pages here and 17 pages here. What's the missing? What's missing? What's the missing piece? What do we need to figure out? What do you need to figure out, Jack? The whole. All right, now, I have 21 here, pages here, 17 pages here, and I need to find the total. What math action puts numbers together to find the total? What? Everybody? Add them up. Okay, so let's rewrite the numbers down below. Adding our addition sign. 21 plus 17. So, what is our total pages, everybody? 38. And where do you record that piece of information? It's very important. Where do you record it? Melanie?
The sentence down there on the top.
Good girl. Read it with me. Sam read 38